There are many factors that are out of our hands, but one thing that we can do in situations where job terminations are unlawful and violate our rights in Germany is get legal help. That is why in this video I will share why you should get legal insurance in Germany. I will also discuss what does a legal insurance in Germany cover, how much does legal insurance in Germany cost, the best legal insurance in Germany that you can look into, and watch this video till the end as I will also discuss the most important thing to consider when choosing legal insurance in Germany. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hassan, I'm a researcher, and on this channel we discuss business and personal finance in Germany. Legal insurance or Rechtsschutzversicherung is like having a lawyer friend on call at all times. For about 300 euros a year, you will be covered for legal disputes at work, at home, and your personal life. Legal insurance is among the top voluntary insurance that Germans have. It's also especially important for expats who are usually not familiar with the laws and regulations in Germany. This lack of knowledge can often lead to problems where legal help is not only needed but essential. Many situations in which you never thought you needed legal assistance can take place at any time. For example, you submitted a tax return and you think your assessment was not correct, or maybe traffic police claim you parked in a no parking zone but there were no signs alerting you about the rules. These situations can be worked out with the help of a lawyer. That said, legal assistance isn't only needed in cases where you are the defendant. In some cases, you need to pursue legal action against other people. A friend of mine had applied for permanent residence. He was missing a document, so he got this document and submitted it. Each time he submitted something, another thing was missing or not correct. After months of back and forth, he finally got everything, but then the person handling their case left the job. Now the Ausländerbehörde asked him to get a new appointment and apply for the PR all over again. This was the last straw. My friend contacted a lawyer, and within a couple of hours, the Ausländerbehörde contacted my friend to submit his documents via email. No need to get an appointment anymore. Obviously, such a quick response may be an exception, as there are some lawyers who say that they have contacted the Ausländerbehörde and then wait for a couple of months to get the answer. Losing your job is never easy. A really close friend of mine recently lost his job, and in this difficult time, he did not know his rights and wanted to know if his termination was lawful or not. Termination documents are usually written in dense and complicated German, and struggling to find legal advice in your native language or even in English language makes this experience very complicated and stressful. On termination, some employees get severance pay from their employer to reduce or totally remove the notice period. For some, this can be a great option, but for others, it can be something very disastrous, as companies often use severance payments as a part of the termination agreement. Often that agreement includes the severance pay conditional on not taking the case to the labor court. By accepting the severance, you may waive your right to object to your employment termination. The termination letter is something that should be taken seriously, as the conditions written on it may include things like waiving of your right to object your termination or an inclusion of a shorter notice period. Some malicious employers also make the termination agreement in a way that encourages employees to leave the company voluntarily, meaning that there could be no severance pay or a notice period altogether. That said, there are many cases where just a threatening letter from a lawyer either solved a huge problem or saved a lot of precious time. But legal expenses in Germany can be pretty expensive, even though the fee structure for legal advice is regulated. A lawyer can decide on the costs depending on how much work they would have to do in a case. In addition to lawyer fees, there are court fees which can be in multiple hundreds of euros. Here, having legal insurance can save you thousands of euros in litigation fees. Let's discuss what does legal insurance in Germany cover. There are many different types of legal insurance covers, but depending on your needs, you can get a legal insurance that could cover an important area you are most concerned about. For example, the most common disputes in Germany are unjust fees by travel cancellation, problems with motor vehicle purchase like warranty or repairs, dispute over unfair dismissal from a job or discrimination, defending yourself against a termination notice, and rent increases. In general, there are 5 categories of legal coverage: private legal insurance, work legal insurance, traffic legal insurance, home legal insurance, and number 5, criminal protection. If you're liking the video so far, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. The cost for legal insurance in Germany varies on the coverage, but the basic coverage starts from 15 euros per month. If you don't know which legal insurance to choose from, let me share some of the best legal insurances in Germany that you can look into. All of the links as always in the description below. The first legal insurance is from Adam Riese.
They offer 3 tariffs. The first one is 13.8 euros, the second one is 16.98 euros, and the third one is 20.30.
Maximum coverage is between 1 million euros and unlimited depending on the tariff. You are free to choose the lawyer you trust, or Adam Riese can help you with your search and refer you to specialized lawyers from their network of lawyers. Their plans are cancelable on daily basis, so that can be a great option if you are not satisfied with their services. Additionally, if you have a legal question or would like an assessment, you will receive an initial telephone consultation free of charge. The next legal insurance in Germany is Feather Insurance. Their basic coverage starts from 17 euros per month, which covers private, professional, traffic, and home insurance. Both of their packages have unlimited coverage in Germany, and their international basic package covers 250,000 euros and their advanced package covers 500,000 euros. With Feather, you also have a free choice of lawyer selection and free initial telephone consultation. If you want to cancel your insurance, you can easily do so with a cancellation period of 1 month. The best thing with Feather Insurance is that they offer complete service in English, including English-speaking lawyers. Next, we have GetSafe Legal Insurance. GetSafe starts from 15 euros, including private, professional, and traffic legal protection. Home legal protection and criminal protection can also be added to the legal insurance bundle at additional charges. They offer unlimited maximum coverage with a free choice of lawyer selection. With GetSafe Legal Insurance, you also get free hotline for legal consultation, and you may cancel their services at any time. Before selecting a legal insurance, please read their terms and conditions so that you know beforehand what these policies cover and how to proceed. For example, the most important thing in my opinion is the waiting time before the legal insurance gets activated. Events that occur before the policy starts or during the waiting period will not be covered. The waiting time for all 3 legal insurances I mentioned is between 3 to 6 months depending on the policy or type of insurance you are selecting, and can go higher in certain cases. With the advanced coverage package of Feather Insurance, you can totally avoid the waiting time in many legal situations. I will put the important links in the description, and if you want to support me and this channel, you can use my sign-up links to register at no additional cost to you. That said, as an employee, you need to know your rights in Germany before you can take any legal action. So in this video, I share your rights as an employee in Germany and what you can do in case of employment termination. So thanks for watching, bleib gesund, and I'll see you in this video.